this colorful order is for Stacy from Nevada, and this is the set from Brovi, a primer set. All the colors can be mixed together. For example, body primer can be warmed up with noir, which in turn can give depth to body or nude. The lips look fresh and their color is even and natural with this set. Next is the Brovi Plus set that comes with free diluter, which is great, and this aftercare pack. You can use it for all the procedures, for brows, eye, lips. Great for after all microblading procedures. It helps with the pigmentation, and you can use the same tube for both the initial and touch-up session for your clients.